This 2024 Forest River Forester TS 2371 is a Class C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, Slideout, and 35 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bath. This 2024 Forest River Forester TS 2371 is built on a Ford Transit chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.